Hi, my name is Lauren O'Connell and my videos help you to stylize your perfect skincare wardrobe. As you can see, I'm still recording on my iPhone. I think it's just my new thing. I have a ring light all the way across the room. I'm actually losing a lot of light right now, so I apologize if this video is just a little bit funny looking, but there's no edits on it, there's no filters, and hey, I'm gonna be 38 in 2 weeks. So one thing that I've been seeing all over social media, Instagram, Insta stories, TikTok, YouTube, you name it, is a very bad practice with putting on serums or any type of product that comes in a bottle like this, even foundations. And what it is people take the pipette, that's what this little dispenser is called, it's a pipette, and they put it directly onto their skin. Now it looks super cool and it's it makes for a great picture, great video, but what's happening is that pipette is touching the skin. We have bacteria all over our face. Naturally, it's normal, it's healthy, but when that bacteria is transferred onto the pipette and we put it back in the bottle, that's where we start to have a problem, because before you know it, you're going to have a whole little universe growing inside your bottle and the formula is going to go rancid. It's not going to be effective anymore and the money that you've spent has been wasted. So instead, if you've done it before, don't worry, we're not judging you. This is a supportive community, but going forward, just make sure every time you use your product, you take the pipette out, squeeze the product into your hands, rub your hands together, and then press the formula onto your skin. And you always want to press the serums into your skin, not rub. Now, if you're wondering what my morning and evening skincare routines are, by all means, check out right here. I have those videos and you can see not only the products I use, but the way I put them on and the order I put them on.